Today we are taking advantage of the beautiful weather and heading up high to the mountain region of Aurlandsfjell. We start in the town of Balestrand and drive along the fjord for a while until we take the ferry and cross over. We take the Aurlandswegen, a narrow and winding road that leads up into the mountains, that is closed for winter and opens in May or early June. Take a short break by the river, which rushes wildly down into the valley during the snow melt. We continue on and soon reach the tree line. We have reached the plateau. Even now at the beginning of June there is still ice floating on the lakes, and in some places the snow is several meters deep beside the road. From now on, we head back to the Aurlandsfjord. Only a few patches of snow remain on the barren land, and we can see far into the green valleys. It doesn't take long before we reach the tree line again. At Stegerstein, a viewpoint above the Aurlandsfjord, we stop to take some photos. Behind the viewpoint, the road actually becomes even narrower and the traffic increases. While we only encountered a few motorcyclists in the highlands, the viewpoint seems to be quite popular. In addition, there are a few sheep causing a small traffic jam. Ahead of us lies the Aurlandsfjell and the village of Aurland, the destination of our tour. I hope you enjoyed the trip.